When she left, brother?
You know, sir, today she left though. 4 o'clock flight.
Boy, you're supposed to miss her. You wouldn't mind, I could have done all the plane wing to though. I was sorry to the top of them people who go to the airport go wait so. I know you're still there at the point. Eh? Yeah, I could have go down.
So you go on, man.
Yeah, man.
Bad man, she not gone yet. So we would have out at the airport a wave so far. A wave to other plane and other people night.
Eh, she not gone yet. So what you do your son, bro? Now you have to bring her go airport.
Can't manage that, brother. Leave once when she leave, believe. And that's why I'm a cut, brother.
Jesus Christ! I say you're weak. Nah, man. Come on, like I've got to change your name from Vicious and call you Lover's Leap. Because they say you're there right now, you know? I feel that it work right. It function. John know.
It me a kind of that, you know, bro. I how she a deal with the thing, you see me?
So how I really go on? You know, say you're death in your family.
Judge, bro. Her auntie star. Her auntie pass and she not even did deal with her auntie in her time, you see me? She not even get to talk to a lady and the lady did try apologize and thing and you see me? So the whole mates just
I know you can relate to them pain then you real pain them then no vicious. So how I really go on with her auntie?
whole heap of family mix up bad, bro. I come like her father did with her auntie, you see me? So that cause all like foolishness and make she not even deal with her auntie, brother.
What? What you say? So, Sher father top girl is. What you say yesterday? The sister and the auntie. So, the sister kick away for her mother foot. What you say to me, youth?
I tell you, say that make me and her jump off to you know, bro. Cause we go say to her, say, our father top jealous and her brother. That nearly cause experiments between me and her, yeah, bro. Same thing what you just saying.
You should have said that. Oh, you have to say that. You have to know how she feel. You understand what I deal with? Because remember, you know, she and her auntie not good, you know, bro. And her auntie drop out without even exchanging a word from you don't know when. And you can say that. You say, what a joke to you. A dead to someone else. You understand? I just saw them thing they go, bro. But you have to know how you ask question next time. I better you ask her how she feel about things.
I tell you, say she never hear nothing we go on, you know, bro. Cause right after me and her done talk, she get the phone call and hear say Ray, you see me? So me I tell you say bad, bro. I tell you say a good thing me bring her home too. Cause if me didn't bring her home all no mood off here mop up tears. You wouldn't see me as so now, me bro. You wouldn't see me as so.
You know, brother. You know I saw them family thing they go do. But Sher should make that make she not talk to her auntie, bro.
I want to tell you say enough time she make for talk to her auntie, you know. But her mother bad her up wicked. And make she know say don't make she see her a daily there, you know. Worse her father go breed her auntie.
What you say? So what you say? What you call she have a brother, cousin. So what you call that vicious? A bread cousin you call that there? No, this a mix up. So what that? A hard door bread or a sliced bread you call that?
Bad man, you know, it's a captain's bread that. I father, I captain.
My God. Our mother should have do that still. Our mother should have never get her involved. And I done her stepdaughter already.
I want to tell you, say mother corrupt you know, bro. It's like she tell Sher, said, don't go up there, got to help them with nothing. No funeral, nothing, bro. She had to tell her, say, if she fi come back right now, it make no sense she deal with her, you know. Better she cut her off, you know. No dealings.
Then Sher pick me. Eh? She know her own big woman now where she can make her own decision them. Eh? She go still have her up for that. If you them mix up, we gone for a whoppy kill fill up.
Bro, she a big woman, you know. But I still her mother that. And if her mother not deal with her, that not go bother her, bro.
Me still think she a got too hard still, brother. You see me? She must know where she and her sister in make her sister take off for her man. She fi know if all her man vicious. You know see what I go on? A joke business that, brother. She a got too hard for the little girl, brother. I like this.
You hear what you say still in her brother. But I have an idea she it affecting her nigga right now, you know. Sher, you know. So that makes you all have all trust issues right now, bro. Not even me. Certain things I have to know what me I say to her. I can't even talk certain things around her, bro.
You're lucky say only trust issue she have. You're lucky she never have a mental issue to bro. A serious thing them there, no G.
Boy, I still feel like say she have some mental issue, you know. Cause me not talk like mad still, you know, my bro. More you get to me I say, you know. But everybody have a little thing about them way. But I feel like that makes you cheap easily, you see me? So you see all the day, alright, watch the day when you come circle me over the park and you see me and her. You can't move away, bro. I do something, me have to get all mad and make you know not try that. Not do that thing there. And me I man. And that's why you come see her look so and I behave them way there, you see me? Yeah, bro.
Bro, you have to just know how you talk to her and be careful of the words and what you choose. You see, because she grew up with a lot on her mind. You see me? She goodly have all the hunger issue to bro. So at least the good thing she want kick off and behave certain way. So how she had move you now?
She make an effort, you know, bro. But you see, there when me go talk about her father thing, she cheap again, bro. And that's why I know say she have certain things I travel with on her mind, you see me?
Yeah man, a real talk. I only if you go through. So hold on. You go sit down on this?
Yeah, no, come, bro.
Yes, a look, man. A whole lot. Yeah, I'm a guest today.
What cheer you?
You should have been my client, you know. You should have come and spend some money to put that through you. Comfortable. Get to it.
Me come and tell you say me love you look, my bro. And you say, alright, that's how you do your big business and now.
Hey.